Welcome. Today we're gonna learn how to make a full stack Solidity React Dapp. So basically, it mostly consists of how you can configure your application, how to interact with, how to deploy your application on local network, how to deploy on test network, how to write Solidity code, add it to your React application, and from React application read to the Solidity code. It's a very simple basic example just to give you an overview. So I'll just open up terminal here, and I'll make a directory. No, I'll create an application only, npx React application. First you need to create your front end. My demo app. Let's go inside that demo app. I'll open that only in this folder. Once hardhat is installed, we will install certain other dependencies just to make sure that there will be no errors. These dependencies are Nomiclab, Hardhat Waffle, Ethereum Waffle, and Chai for testing. Okay. Now dependency is done. Let's create a hardhat application. Write the command npx hardhat. It will ask what do you want. Create a basic sample project, hardhat project root. Do you want to add gig? Ignore. Yes. Okay. Conflict this error because we already have a readme file. Let's delete this. We don't need that. Again we can do same thing, and voila, we have a test to run our test, script to deploy our application, contracts to write our Solidity contract. Let's check if our application is working fine or not. We can compile this application using the command hardhat compiler. Sorry, it's compile, not compiler. See, you can see compiled to Solidity file successfully. Okay, we can run text also by writing the command hardhat test. See, one passing test also. Okay, so this is how our application format will look. Okay, let's open our solve. Now you can see like this solve file is looking like a text. So for to get a extension, like when you write a JS file something and you see different color and you different color coordinates, just to understand the code better, you need to add some extension in your VS Code, which is Solidity. Okay, Solidity Juan Blanco. Okay, you need to install that. Okay, but there is a problem with the latest one. What is the issue? Suppose if you go here, nothing is okay. That is what the thing. Import, see, it is saying like file import callback not supported. So in the latest version, file import callback is not supported. So what we need to do is we need to install a different version or the older version. Go to 0.315. This one works only. This one works, like this will accept the import. After this, they started getting this problem. Okay, now my apologies, we need to reload it. Okay, let's wait for a second. Okay, done. We can add our contract. I'll name my contract as demo.sol. Okay, and I'll write a simple contract. You need to add this SPDX and Solidity version. I'll write my contract. See, contract demo. Okay, I'll create a variable called string message. Hi, I am from demo contract. Okay, this is there. Then I'll create a function called send message. It will be a public function so that it can be called outside. It is a view function. It will return a string memory. Okay, and you can write return message. So this is a small contract I am writing. This is just a demo purpose. Like in the real life example, the contracts will be very complex and all, but just to understand how we can read through a contract from our front end, I am using a simple example. Okay, once this is done, then we will go in our script. Okay, we will create a file called no, we won't create a file. We will rename this one. We will use this one only. Okay, so I'll remove this, all this comments. Basic function is there. Okay, we don't have a greeter, we have a demo. Here also here the name of the contract will come. Okay, since in our contract we don't have a constructor, or in constructor we don't have to send any value, so we will not use that hello thing. Just change the name here, and then we will just demo.deployed, right? Demo deployed to this, and we need to write the demo address. Okay, so this is our deploy file. Once this is done, we can check in our terminal. So what we can do is we can run a command called npx hardhat run script deploy.js. See, you can see that the address of the contract is this. We will need this address to connect our front end or to make our front end talk to the blockchain. So keep this in safe place, do not lose it. Okay, this is done. Then when I write this command, it is deployed once, like the server just run once, and once it is deployed the server will stop. So what I'll do, I'll run a continuous server like what we run in React or Node. The command is npx hardhat node. Okay, I should have given a space. Okay, so what happened is that to do any transaction in a contract, you need certain amount of ETH and you need accounts. So hardhat create some 20 accounts, fake accounts. Okay, it has fake ETH. So please do not think this is really, then be very happy. Oh, I have really, now I'm rich. Nothing has sort, unfortunately. So yeah, that is there. So this is your account and this is your private key. You need account basically is a public key, and private key is the key which is required to sign for transaction. Okay, now our contract is deployed on the local network. Okay, it is deployed. Now we can connect to it using our front end. Okay, so I'll create one more node here and I'll just do the npm start. Okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, this is my React application. I'll just close this one. Okay, this is done. I'll remove everything here. We don't need this, all these things. First thing first, we need to import library called ether. Not from hardhat, but ethers. Yep. That is done. Then I'll create a simple variable called message and set message, which will be my state variable, which I'll modify using state. Initially this will be this. I need to call the contract on the load, so I'll use effect for this. Okay, this is done. Okay, now I'll create a function in which I'm going to call the message. So I'll name the function at read message. Okay, done. Now first thing first, we need to check whether our we have a MetaMask wallet. MetaMask wallet is something which is required to connect to a blockchain. It's like a login thing. Okay, like you log in, you enter your password and stuff, na. So you need a same thing with MetaMask. If I have to give an analogy, it is like a Google thing. Like in Google, when you try to sign in, it asks you you can sign it through Google, Facebook or something. Same thing is that, but instead of this accounts, we are using MetaMask wallet. So it will check how. I'll write a condition, if condition. It will check in window object whether it has Ethereum. If it has, then it should, otherwise just else. Console just install MetaMask. Okay, this being done, first we need to add a provider. So no, not provider. First we need to connect our account to our app, because if we won't do that, that would create a issue. So just let's create a account, and I'll just write window dot Ethereum dot request method dot ETH request account. Okay, I need to check this whether it's right or wrong, but okay, once that account is connected, we will read the thing. So first we need to create a provider. Okay, provider is something which help us to connect to Ethereum blockchain. Okay, dot providers dot web3 provider, and you need to write it right here the Ethereum. Okay, not Ethereum, sorry, window dot Ethereum. It helps us to connect with our MetaMask wallet. Once that is done, we need to have a signer. Signer is something who sign your transaction, that is giving you the giving permission to make transaction on your behalf, like transferring money, transferring your crypto token from one account to another. Provider dot get signer, that is being done. Then we need to call our contract, const demo. post dot contract. So okay, it will have 3 parameters. First will be the contract address, where we will get this address. We will get it from here, deployed to this. So I'll just create a okay. I'll add damn it. I'll add this here. Okay, now I need a ABI. ABI is something which is created in artifacts, and we have to send it. This artifacts, if you open this is the ABI we have to send. It gives us the information of all the method is there, what is the method, what is the input output, what is the state mutability. So basically giving a metadata to our about our methods in contract. So there is one thing is there, like now, so suppose if I want to import suppose demo from, and I'll do this and do contracts, then demo, then bb.json. Okay, if I try this, let's check. See, it's giving an error. The error is you are attempted to import this, which falls outside of the src directory. That's a thing. React cannot import anything outside the src directory. So what I'll do, while like creating this hardhat config, you can change it here. 1 second. Please take more information. Developing Firefox. Extend. This is not required. This is not required. This is not. Leave it. We won't use this much brain. I'll check and I'll update it in the comment section where you can make the changes. Just copy this, okay? And paste it. As simple as that. And instead of this, do this. Error is gone. Okay, at demo.abi, and then just send the signer. This is done. Then now you can read a message. Demo contract dot, what is the name of the message? Send message, right? Method. Send message. Okay, and you need to await because this is a promise, and if you await, then you have to async this. Okay, cool. Let's try to print this up. Mess. I need to call this method, right? Okay, done. Let's check. Something is happening or not. Control option I. Oh my god, this many error. I'll add my local host network. Okay, what is the error we are getting? Uncalled promise error, call revert. Method send message data. Okay, it's giving this error here. I'll just check whether our account is connected or not. We're having some error. That was because I have not deployed it in a local host. I was just running this earlier. I was just running this script and it was not deployed. We just call this thing where it is. If we call this, it will just run the script. It will give us the demo address, and in the local host network you can see, if you call this, you'll get a warning calling an account which is not a contract. Basically it is not deployed as a contract, which is, I'm also not sure why the case is. Second thing is, if you apologies if we use this method, like .network, it will deploy the contract on this. So see, if I run this, the address was same, but my warning changed into the contract deployment demo. Contract address is this, transaction ID is this, from is this, value get use this, block 1, contract call from here, like this is my account thing. I'll just show you. Because I checked in a lot of website, I'm not sure why. See, this is my account, which is same as this, and you can see we can just read this. I'll just do one thing. I'll set message ms and okay, you can see I am a demo contract. Okay, this is coming from a demo contract. Now next step is, if you want to connect to a testnet, how you will do? First of all, you need to change your from local host to testnet. I'll use ringk by test. I already have some faucet with me, but I need to create a I need to connect, provide a UP API, okay, which help us to connect to the ring by Ethernet. I'll just go here. This is my dashboard. I have created already an app. You can also create that using this. You can do this create app. Once you create that, you can see a view key. Copy this HTTP. Then first go to networks, go to ring ke by damn it. Go to URL and paste this. Okay, now you need to import your private key. So if you are importing a private key, two things very important: do not write it here in a plain open code. Anybody can use it and take away all your money. And second thing, what private key I am using is my fake Ether wallet. So yeah, no money will help. Like, it won't help you in any way. I'm sorry. Okay, and I'll just click on this. I'll just click on this. Go to account details, export. Confirm. This is my private key. I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. Okay. Suppose if you create something and you don't have enough ether, fake ether. This is fake ether, by the way. This is not real ether. So yeah. And so suppose you want fake ether, go to faucet.chain link. Okay. This is my wallet address. You can get your wallet address here. Okay. Copy this. Control V. Stairs. Where is the stairs in this? I can't see stairs. Oh my god. I don't know where the stairs is. Let's see. I'll take something. Could you guys see the stairs in this? I was not a bicycle. Okay, send request. It will initiate. Waiting for the confirmation. It will take a minute or so to get your, it's waiting for the confirmation. A token is transferred. Okay. Let's see, it increased by 0.1. Now I have the money also. I'm rich. Okay, this is done. We have add the account. This is done. First thing I'll do is to stop this local node, and I'll just see. I should have stopped this. Yeah, I have stopped this one. Okay. Network ring. Okay. Bye. See. Okay, it is deployed. So this is deployed on this address. Okay, I need to update this definitely here, contract address. And I can check also, on internet. Each scan, just go on each scan, check this, paste the address, search. Okay, wait. This happens once more. Wrong one. It should not be the Ethereum one. It should be Rinke by Testnet. Okay, so I'll just copy my contract address, paste it. See, it shows contract created, value, this is the value ether, and this is my account. See, this is the account, this is there. Okay, now I'll just refresh it. Okay, Control Shift. Okay. So yes, basically this is how it works. How you can connect to local network and to testnet. Okay, thank you, bye.